What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and Huawei currently has two 2019 flagship smartphones, but they also have a third mid-range member for those who want the premium design and triple rear camera setup without breaking the bank. This is our hands-on of the Huawei P30 Lite, but first let's take it out of the box. Alright, so in the box you get the phone itself, then as usual a smaller box with your SIM ejector tool, manual and warranty cards, a free clear case, USB Type-C cable, quick charger, and a pair of headphones. Alright, so the P30 Lite is actually not a new device. It has basically the same hardware as the Huawei Nova 4e, which launched in China in March. So although it's more akin with the Nova family, it shares similarities with the P30 series as well, especially when it comes to design. We get that small notch and triple rear camera placement. It actually has a slightly bigger screen than the P30 at 6.15 inches, but we get slightly thicker bezels, especially at the chin, and we get an IPS panel instead of OLED. The notch houses the 32 megapixel front camera, and up here we also get the call speaker and LED notification light. On the right side, we have the power and volume buttons. They're made of plastic, they're clicky but quiet, and they're easy to reach. On top, we have the SIM tray that goes for a hybrid setup. And down at the bottom are the headphone jack, Type-C port, finally, mid-range device, microphone, and loudspeaker. Flipping to the back, we have a fingerprint scanner and the protruding triple rear camera module. 24 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 2 megapixel depth shooter. This setup allows the P30 Lite to adapt to a pretty wide range of shooting scenarios, from landscapes to portraits. Check out some of our sample shots right here. Overall, the device feels premium thanks to the 3D curved glass at the back. It's evidently plastic, but the paint job is honestly really nice and can pass off as actual metal. If it weren't for the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, it could actually maybe pass off as a P30. Powering the P30 Lite is a Kirin 710 chipset, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. For software, it's running EMUI 9 based on Android Pie, and a 3340 mAh battery to power everything up. For a mid-range device, even if the Kirin 710 is almost a year old at this point, these are still some pretty good specs. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The P30 Lite or the mid-range option in the P30 lineup. So far, it's looking pretty good, especially because of that nice 16,990 pesos price tag. Now I'm gonna pass the question off to you guys. What do you think about the Huawei P30 Lite? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more videos, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, this has been the Huawei P30 Lite, and I'll see you in the next one.